Good and positivity, beautiful afternoon to all the family of Boss Mom nationwide. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're welcome back to my page. You're welcome back to any of my platforms. Here we use nature to pass our message. We use nature to remove every obstacles. We use nature to send back every negative energy the evil ones are sending to us, because we are the daughter of the soil. We are the sons and daughter of the soil. We believe in the work of nature. Okay, guys, this is what you're going to be doing. We're going to be doing this work to stop evil manipulation. Evil manipulation comes in different way. It all depends on how they are able to send it to you. Yes, evil manipulation can be nearby syndrome. Evil manipulation can be you stuck in one place. Evil manipulation can be you not moving forward. Evil manipulation can be you getting stuck in life. You will graduate, you will not see anything good. You can be a graduate and no company want to employ you. You know you have the ability of achieving things, but you are not seeing yourself achieving it. Evil manipulation can come in a way that when you go for consultation, especially with a fake person, they will tell you it's water people disturbing you. Everything in life is not your spiritual water people, it's not your juju that is disturbing you. At times, is what happened when you were born. Okay, yes, when people see your star, out of jealousy, they send you evil eyes. Then when you start growing with your surrounding and everything, you face evil attack. And if you are the type that your energy does not like people, does not like gathering, does not like crowded area, you will see your energy being dragged down. You will see things not manifesting. And there are a lot of ways for you to face evil manipulation. You can be praying for something. You yourself, you know you deserve those good things that is coming your way. And all of a sudden, you just hear bad news. You just hear bad thing. They start giving you bad news. You start facing hatred. You start seeing different negative things. This is the time for you to look for Boss Mom channel and say, God, I want to see what to use in liberating myself. Okay, this work will help you to remove evil attack, to remove that spirit of success coming your way and it comes short. You are going to do this work for any days that you like, and you can also continue this work whenever you feel and you see that, oh, it's like things have started waving again. Yes, the more you pray to go forward, the more spiritual attack you face in life. This is the secret that you might not know from different corner. So get your bitter cola. This is bitter cola. Okay, let me bring it down. Okay, this is bitter cola. This is bitter cola. Get 4 bitter cola. Get your alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper. Let me raise this camera up a little. Good. This is alligator pepper and this is bitter cola. Now you're going to get your uden. We need a column uden. This is uden. This is what you are using for this period. Now get your native pot. Burn your bitter cola. Burn the back, everything. Burn everything inside that native pot. Don't burn finish. Carry your uden. All right, your ude, your palm, kind of oil, carry them, pour them inside that ashes thing where you pound the bitter cola and the alligator pepper. For alligator pepper, you can use the full one or you use the half one. But for the bitter cola, you need 4 bitter cola. Now, when you pour the ude, which is the palm kind of this one where you see, so inside that native thing where you pound, from that mortar, transfer it inside the bowl, whether na rubber plate, whether na where you want to, provided it get cover. Now put them inside here. You can keep it in your altar or you keep it anywhere. Sorry for the noise you hear for the background. Okay, you can keep it in your altar or keep it anywhere. Now pray on it for 4 days. After 4 days, if you are the type that you are very like, you know, if you wait for 4 days, you can also pray on it on 3 days. After those 4 days or 3 days when you take pray on them, now start adding it to your bathing water. You can use it anytime, whether when going to your working place, whether when after your working or business place you come back, and trust me, you will see things manifesting. You will come back and tell me, Boss Mom, things have changed. That nearby syndrome, that evil thing that I'll be facing, that cobwebs that I'll be facing, I stop facing it. Those evil manipulation that I'll be facing, I stop facing it. after doing this work. You will come back by the grace of God Almighty, my ancestors, my Queen Mother, the universe, and the ancient deities that my forefathers believe in. You will come back and tell me, Boss Mom, thank you, my life truly have changed. No matter what they are doing against you to bring you down, God Almighty will continue to raise you up. Your calling, your destiny will never die. You will continue to shine as God Almighty has made you the shining star on this earth. So you will continue to be on a care, on Ore, on Afo, on Uko. Is say you are share. Thank you all. See you on my next spiritual video. I remain your Boss Mom. Bye guys.